Hello guys, the coin here. Once again I decided to make another video today, and this one is talking about Binance. I guess I mentioned Binance on my other videos, but the reason that I wanted to make this video standalone of Binance is because there is a lot of opportunity like you can see on the charts. You know, Engine is up 52.15%. Gas is up 33.83%, S&M 18.08, WPR 17.85. The reason for that is that there are many pump groups out there. I'm not I'm not really for pump groups, especially if it is a pump and dump. But many of these pumps are actually a pump because investors are coming in because there is some news that some coins are listed on exchange on a new exchange, which is the case of Engine, Gas, S&M is also the same case. But the main reason is that yeah, you can actually make some profit on the short term if you're a trader, because mostly every day there are coins being pumped, some pumped and dumped, and others are pumped and then they have a slight correction, and then they continue to hover until the next run on investors, because there are a lot of coins that big investors, big institutional money are having their eyes on. And the bottom line is Binance is the biggest or the highest cryptocurrency volume exchange out there. They don't trade fiat pairs. They have the USDT, but that's not considered fiat. It's just another cryptocurrency which is called Tether. But it's like I said, for trading cryptocurrencies and in regards of volume, Binance is the biggest one of them all. And I believe that you should take advantage of it, because the bull run, like in the last video that I talked about, is not happening yet. We see some glimpses here and there of some coins are getting pumped, but the bottom line is the major pump, the major investor pump, the institutional investors, which have a lot of money set on blockchain, they will come in. Believe me, they will come in and they will buy everything up. So if you don't buy them on the cheap, I'm not telling you to buy Engine right now, because yeah, it's pumped to 1,221. It will eventually dump or hover around this value here, but we never know how these pumps actually go. But I believe that you should sign up with Binance, because like it happened on last December, January. Binance was already the biggest exchange out there for cryptocurrencies without fiat pairs, and what happened is that they couldn't accept registrations anymore. And usually when that happens, people all of a sudden want to get in. That's always the case when FOMO comes in, and I'm telling you, before the FOMO, to set up an account on Binance, and buy some coins if you want right now, because in the future people will be willing to pay money for an account. That's the truth. That's what happened last year. People were actually paying to buy an exchange account. That happens a lot, when especially in FOMO times. And it's like I'm telling you right now, you should do it now before the FOMO kicks in. If you're already into cryptocurrency and you don't have a Binance account, you should sign up. And if you're starting to explore the cryptocurrency, if you're new to it, and if you don't have an account on Binance, then you definitely should sign up to it. I will put a link on the description for you to sign up, because it's like I said, Binance is the biggest crypto exchange out there without fiat pairs, and they also have their own coin, BNB. You know, let's check out the chart on BNB. So like we can see in here, when the bull run on when was it? Oh, it was, it actually was not. It was even before that. So just let me see here. Yeah, here we are. So the low on BNB was 1,000. It reached its peak on on uh, on June of this year, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, on June. So the bull run actually stopped around here. So BNB continued to maintain its value, and it's now stagnated here at around 15K. And that's the reason why, because Binance is one of the biggest exchanges out there. They have their coins. So although they might have lost a little bit of money in the recent bear run. It's a very stable coin. It's a good coin to invest, and you can also pay fees with it. If you have BNB and you want to buy any other coins, you can deduct these fees from BNB, which are actually cheaper. And yeah, and that's basically what it's all about. You also get rewards from time to time. They distribute tokens. You can always participate in it, and it's really the best exchange out there. They really skyrocketed last year big time. I believe they opened up the doors in when was it? September, maybe before that. And in the space of 2 to 3 months, BNB or Binance actually became the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. And like we can see in this chart, it's not about to slow down. What I believe is when the bull market kicks in again, and Binance will continue to be one of the highest exchanges out there, you can expect BNB to go up big time. I'm not tell I'm not doing this video to tell you to buy BNB. I'm just telling you that BNB is the biggest exchange out there right now, and I believe that it can continue to be the biggest exchange out there. So, and because of the volatility that is actually going on, it's been since about 2 to 3 weeks. There are coins that go up in value at about 100 to 150% in 2 to 3 days. Because like Binance is the biggest exchange out there. A lot of investors and a lot of speculators put their money their coins in Binance. And it's like I said about the pump and dump or the pump groups. They prefer Binance to do so. Once again, I'm not for pump and dump groups or schemes, because that actually hurts coins, and the exchanges make a lot of money in it. But the bottom line is that the profits that we can actually make ourselves, if you're a day trader. I'm not a day trader. I prefer to trade perhaps not in one day. I make trades for perhaps 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, 5 month, 6 month, 1 year. Depends on what I'm hodling or not. If I want to make a flip, then I'll try to buy on the low case. In the case of BNB, that would be around here or even around here. Unfortunately, I did miss this train, but you can't get them all. So it went to 26,555. So right now we're around 15. And yeah, it's like I said, when this bull run when this bull run starts again, you will want to get to get into an exchange. And the problem is that you very likely will not be able to register on an exchange, because when too many people sign up at the same time, they don't have the servers for everybody to sign in. And that's why I believe you should sign up to Binance and take advantage while they still are accepting people. And yeah, you can be in the front line, because when this bull comes, every coin will value very quickly, because as Bitcoin goes to 8K, 9K, 10K, 20K will be a certainty. I don't know when, and all-time highs will come again. You just don't have to do much imagination what will happen to the other coins as well. So, and it's like I said, because of that reason, if I would you, I would sign up to as many exchanges as I can. Maybe I'll post another video about another exchange. I'm not telling you to buy or sell any other coins. I'm just telling you to sign up on the exchanges. Let the exchange be, and when you decide to get into cryptocurrency, then you will have a better chance than the other people that actually didn't know about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency exchanges, and they want to get in. And then when they want to get in, they have to pay premiums. That's what it's all about. That's why Bitcoin was at about 20K, because FOMO got in around 18K and 17K. Everybody FOMO'd, and yeah, and the exchanges stopped accepting new signups because of that, and that will happen again. And this time it will take a long, long time, because when Bitcoin reaches to all-time highs again, the FOMO will be even bigger than the last time, because the craze always gets bigger with the price increase. So that's just what I wanted to tell you. So if you decide to sign up, there is a link in the description, and I would advise you to sign up, because when this all is going to the sky again, you will have a better position before the herd. That's just my opinion, and I'm the coin, and I'm out.